Welcome to our introduction to computers. Today we're going to explore the wonderful world of computers in a way that's easy to understand, especially for anyone who's new to using computers. First things first, let's talk about what a computer actually is. Well, think of a computer as a smart friend that helps us do lots of cool things. It's like a magic box that can follow instructions really fast. Now, let's learn about the different parts of a computer. Just like how our bodies have different parts like eyes, ears, and hands, a computer has its own parts too. The common parts of computer are monitor, system unit, keyboard, and mouse. Alright, now that we know what a computer is and its parts, let's see how we can use it. Using a computer is a bit like telling a story. We use the keyboard and mouse to tell the computer what we want it to do. And there you have it. That's the basics of using a computer. Just remember, computers are our helpful friends, and with a little practice, you'll be using one like a pro in no time. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of computers. Stay curious and keep exploring.